Hello everybody, today I'm gonna make this lotus flower. So let's start. So we have to get the square paper for this lotus flower. And then take this corner to this one and fold it like this. Then do the same as we did to the other corner like this. Then we will see a cross over here like this. Then flip it over, put your one finger in it and fold it. Then do the same as we did to the other side. It looks like this. So then you have to take this corner to that corner and do the same over here. And flip it over and then do the same as we did behind and turn it over. Then put this corner into this one like this. Put as much as you can. It will look like this. Then we have to staple it up. Do the same as we did to the other side. Like this. Then staple it up right there. Then take off its petals. There will be 4 petals. Then if you have a pencil or a pen, you can roll with anything, whatever you like. I'm using a marker to roll it. They will look like this. Then we have done our flower. Now let's make its stem. For stem we have to take a rectangle paper. So then we have to roll it like this. Start from a corner. Have to roll like this. Then roll and roll it at the end. And paste here a glue. So my stem is ready, so let's put our stem to the flower. So I'm gonna put the stem inside. And there's a hole on the downside of the flower. Put the stem in it like this. Ta-da! Our flower is done. So thanks for watching. I will see you at the next episode. Bye.